Hello guys, so today I received this Glock magazine, also Glock or AAP-01. This is made by this company, AIRTAC, and the purpose of this is to use shotgun shells with 30 BBs in the Glock mag and also convert to HPA. See, the fit is very good. You have a release button. And not only that, as you can imagine, you will reduce a lot the weight of the mag. So this is a normal mag, almost 300 grams, and this with a shell don't reach 100. Okay, so this is the cheaper version because don't have the valve, don't have the lips. I will use the ones from my mag. Okay, so be sure that the mag don't have any gas inside. So we need to remove the pin, the lips with the rubber, and also the valve. Okay. Right. Just be very careful to tie this correctly. Okay. Okay, I usually like to leave the hole of the valve to the top. Now put the lips. Now we just need to use the same pin. As you can see, the measures are perfectly, very well done. The quality is very good. Okay, so completely recommend this to our gun. Now let me test it. I'm testing now with a shell with BBs. Let's see if it will be enough. Okay, so all the BBs are used. You can see the shell is completely empty and there is no return of the BBs. If you leave the BBs here, they will not fall. Very nice design. Very well done. Congratulations to the guys. Very nice. So this, so as you can see, very low profile,